Hi guys, so I look so crazy right now, and honestly this is just part of motherhood, and maybe not to other people, but motherhood to me on a daily basis means crazy hair, repeated outfits. Once I like a certain outfit or certain piece of clothing, I will literally wear it multiple times a week just because I'm home and it's comfortable and I like it. I'm at a point in my life right now where I don't care how I look like, especially like on camera like this, because this is my reality. One thing I've learned ever since becoming a mother was that, you know, you're not always going to be ready. You're not always going to have your hair done, your makeup done. I've come to just embrace all the craziness that comes with motherhood. Just a little disclaimer, because you know there are some people out there that are probably like, oh my gosh, she's always wearing the same thing. Well, honestly, I like what I'm wearing. Anyways, Mavis is sleeping right now. I took Mavis out for a little walk while my husband was like cleaning out his shop, because we just all needed a breather. We just needed to get out of the house. So it felt really nice. It's cold, but it's not too cold. And I made myself a milk tea, but instead of using milk, I used black tea. And I used to never be lactose, but for the past couple of times that I've drinking 2% milk, my stomach just twists and turns and it just hurts really bad. It has like a really sharp pain. So I think I'm like lactose intolerant now, because I bought some lactating milk to try out and I didn't have any issues at all. So yeah, if you guys are lactose intolerant but you guys really enjoy milk tea, either green tea or black tea is an option that you can use for your base, so that instead of using milk, it's another alternative. Oh, you Aki. You puked a little. Sometimes I just want to make her cry. Uncle. Hi, mamas. Okay, mama. And then I'll do a croissant too.
You want the receipt though?
No, thank you. I'll be okay. Yeah. Both of my girls are sleeping next to each other and it is so cute. I just had to record the moment because I knew one day they're gonna get bigger and they're not gonna remember. Also, plus that they're napping at the same time. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Saturday and it is a solo parenting day. My husband is not home. I've been up ever since like 3:30. I ended up nursing my baby because she woke up, and then I was on my phone for a little bit and then I just couldn't go back to bed. So now that they're both up, I'm gonna fix the bed, clean up the room. I nursed Edith for a little bit, so she's content right now. So I'm gonna use this time to tidy up the other room and then make her a bottle, so while she eats I can feed Mavis, so that way I can kind of alternate between the two of them. Good now, puppy, y'all. Yeah? Okay. Hey, mommy, mo good now. Mommy's just gonna put her over you for now. Wow. Puppy? Puppy, yes. Puppy? Viva? Puppy? Puppy? I love you. She really wants to wear her poppy shirt. She was wearing this shirt yesterday, but then it got wet, so her dad took it off and gave her a long sleeve because it's pretty chilly at night. But she found it again this morning and she really wants to wear it, so I'm just having her wear it over her long sleeve right now, so that way she can stay warm and she can see her shirt because she's very into trolls right now. 오늘의 날씨 일기예보는 맑음 햇살 밝은 오후 무작정 어딘가 향하는 발걸음 너와 자주 걷던 거리 어쩌면 너무 익숙해져 버린 습관과 같던 매일 너랑 기억에 갇혀 살아 하염없이 비가 내려 두 뼘 위로 이렇게 맑은데 차라리 빗물이라고 불러대면 I do have a hair appointment today. It was originally at 4, but then my stylist texted me yesterday if I can go in a little bit earlier, so I'm going in at 2:30 instead, which works out so much better. We might go to the Lunar New Year's today. I'm not sure. I don't know about other people, but I feel like for me sometimes like I feel kind of hesitant to take them out, or I feel scared like what if I can't handle them, but at the same time I can't let these feelings scare me out from doing things for my girls. Back in August there was a volleyball tournament that my family and cousins they played every single year, so my husband was actually working that weekend. He wasn't able to go with us and I was a little hesitant if I wanted to go alone with her, but I went ahead and took her anyways, and she has so much fun just being out all day, seeing all her like cousins and playing with other kids, and it was so fun. Like I got to see my family and I really wanted to go see my nephew play, so I'm glad that we went and we both had a really fun time. So I'm glad that I didn't let fear get the best of me. So I washed the dishes. That was literally my only goal today. I'm just gonna hang out with the girls, play with them, and just give them some attention because I feel bad. And especially for Mavis, when she misses me, she comes and looks for me and she'll drag my hand to go and hang out with her. So I don't like her to feel like she's alone. Alright, so I just got my hair done. I cut it and I did long layers, framing, and I did some side bangs because I feel like my face needed more framing because every time I put my hair up it's literally just bald. You guys see what my hair looks like without anything, so I feel like this just gives it a little bit of something. It is Tuesday and there's actually a good amount of snow outside. Surprisingly, it snowed. I was not expecting this much. But I'm so excited because I bought Mavis some snow pants before she was even 1, and she hasn't gotten the chance to wear them at all because we literally have had no snow this year. But she's still sleeping right now. Edith is already up, and I'm gonna make some coffee, eat my croissants. I got some from Costco yesterday, so I need to eat them. And once Mavis is up, we'll give her some breakfast and then we'll take her outside to go and have some fun.